Hey, hello, and welcome back to Alok Joshi Words and Life, your own channel where you learn about public speaking, English speaking, and you meet some of the people who are doing extraordinary work in their particular field in my Talk to Rock shows. But for this video, I'm back again with 5 new idioms as we have been learning idioms for last 2 episodes. This episode brings you something good, something different to learn new idioms. Before that, let me bite something. I have some almonds in my hand and let me bite these almonds. What are you doing, Alok? You are making videos and in between only you are biting some almonds? My dear friends, today's topic is biting. We are going to learn 5 interesting idioms related to biting. So let's start. So our first idiom of the day. Hey, have you ever bitten a bullet? Yes, the same bullet that we just load into the gun. No? Try this. You'll enjoy it. Biting the bullet. The first idiom of the day is biting the bullet or bite the bullet. Would you ever like to bite a bullet? No, you will never ever. So there lies the meaning of bite the bullet or biting the bullet. It means doing something which you don't like to do or bear something which you don't like or it is painful. You will never ever want to do that. So biting the bullet means something that you need to do but you are unwilling to do that. Right? During these lockdown periods, all the children, they don't want to go to online classes and learn something because they don't like it. But still they have to bite the bullet and sit in front of the computer, their laptops or mobiles and learn the lessons from their teachers. I never wanted to go out for doing a job, but still I did not have any other option. So I had to bite the bullet and I have to go out to perform my duties. Bite the bullet. Second idiom of the day. During our childhood days, several times we fell down and many times we fell down in the dust and we spoiled our face. So we actually literally fell down in the dust. And during that, some of the dust would have covered our mouth and we bit the dust. Second idiom, bite the dust. Bite the dust means to fall down to the ground. Second meaning, to die. And third meaning, to come to an end. Right? The soldier fought very bravely, but ultimately he had to bite the dust. Means he had to die. He was martyred. See, your plan of defaming me in front of the all colleagues in the office will bite the dust. Means it will be a failure. It will not be successful. Your plan will not be successful. You may do anything, but you will bite the dust because I am the boss in the office. So whatever you do, your plan will fail because I am the boss. You cannot do anything against me. Your plans will bite the dust. Has it ever happened that your tongue came in between your teeth? Or knowingly or unknowingly, you bit your tongue? It's so painful, right? Our third idiom of the day, bite one's tongue. Bite your own tongue or bite your tongue means literally stopping yourself to say something. You are about to say something, but when you bite your tongue, you hold yourself by saying something. You don't say that particular thing which you wanted to say. So that's how you bite your tongue. Bite one's tongue. See, the way my colleague insulted me, I was about to give the right answer to him, but I bit my tongue because he was my best friend. Many times it happens that you go somewhere else and you can't actually tolerate that injustice. But because of the circumstances, because elders are there and you can't say something, you have to ultimately bite your tongue. You cannot say something very evidently or very boldly. Bite your tongue. You want to say something, but you stop yourself. So you bite your tongue. You don't say anything. Bite your tongue. Day before yesterday, something happened very strange. I was not expecting that particular thing. I asked my wife, let's go to a movie. And she literally shouted at me. I asked her that it's many days that we did not go to any movie, and she literally bit my head off. Bite one's head off means to reply somebody very abruptly, rudely, right, very brusquely. That is not tolerated by biting somebody's head off. Bite one's head off means replying very rudely. I just asked my wife, let's go to the movie, and she bit my head off. I asked my boss for leave for just one day, but my boss bit my head off. You go to that lady and ask for anything, she will always bite your head off. She will not talk to politely. Biting someone's head off. Talking rudely, abruptly, and in a very bad manner. Yeah, I told you that I bit 2 or 3 almonds. What if I eat 100 almonds in one go? What will happen to my stomach? It will get disturbed. I'll have to go to toilet several times if I eat 100 almonds at a time. So that's how the next and very interesting idiom comes. Bite off more than one can chew. Bite off more than one can chew. Bite off more than means doing something beyond the capacity or trying to do something which is beyond the ability of somebody. Biting off more than one can chew. Since my daughter did not complete her homework, she had to do it all 7 days work in just one night. So she was about to bite off more than she can chew. It was not possible for her. So my boss gave me too many projects at a time. And again, next day, he came up with 3 new projects. So I said my boss, I can't bite off more than I can chew. 7 projects at a time are not possible for me. That day, we went to dinner at my friend's house. His wife served so many things on our plate that it was not possible for us to complete it, to finish it up. So I said to her, dear, I cannot bite off more than I can chew. Please reduce something from my plate. And she did it. She was very polite. So I could not bite off more than I can chew. Otherwise, this would have been difficult for me to manage myself next day. Bite off more than one can chew. So never bite off more than you can chew. It's not good for you. So my dear friends, today we learned 5 new idioms which were related to bite. So whenever you are biting your next bite, remember all these 5 idioms and use them in your day-to-day language. So let us quickly recap all these 5 idioms which we learned today. Bite the bullet, bite the dust, bite one's tongue, bite one's head off and bite off more than one can chew. So use these idioms in your day-to-day language and write down some sentences for me in the comment box so that I'll read it out, and if it is there that they are needed to be corrected, I will do that. So till the next time when we'll be having one more episode of interesting new idioms, keep learning and repeating and practicing these idioms. My name is Alok Joshi. Watching you smiling over there. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much. And yes, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.